The Showa Denko Carbon plant in Ridgeville, South Carolina, is one of the world's leading producers of graphite electrodes used to fire electric arc furnaces for making carbon and alloy steels. The majority of the world's steel production today uses electric arc furnaces, which are fired with 100% scrap steel. These metallurgical furnaces pass electricity between two electrodes and through the scrap steel to create arcing, which generates sufficient heat to melt the scrap steel charge. A key element to the efficiency and environmental friendliness of the process is the graphite electrodes used to create the arcing. High quality and consistency of product are critical, so Showa Denko uses Wonderware's Factory Suite automation software from Invenza Systems to visualize, analyze, and optimize every step of production and track every part, from the incoming raw materials to finished electrodes that are shipped to customers around the world. Their system incorporates InTouch human-machine interface software as the operator interface, the Industrial SQL Server real-time plant historian to store process information, and active factory software for the data trending and reporting.
We had a large data logging system here in the plant, and it was a proprietary style architecture, and one of the things we did in around 1995 is we redesigned that whole system and made it compliant with an open style architecture. So the Wonderware products fit in and blend very nicely with our culture here in the plant.
Factory Suite tools are helping power intelligent plant decisions in real time, providing many benefits for the staff of Showa Denko. Since implementation, the plant has enhanced the efficiency of product operations, reduced scrap volume, made better use of electrical power, and streamlined automated data reporting to government environmental agencies. Managing the process involves tight statistical process control of every batch step, extensive data collection and tracking of every electrode produced. Trending and reporting on plant operations is needed for real-time process validation and for environmental compliance. Programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, control production using the InTouch HMI as the operator interface that plant staff use to launch tasks and monitor every phase of their production process. InTouch screens give operators feedback on whether essential operations are being performed within specifications. Workers can respond instantly to out-of-spec alarms and take corrective action to resolve any variance. Showa Denko uses the Industrial SQL Server Historian as the database repository in conjunction with its DARTs, or Data Acquisition and Rod Tracking System. The process of tracking individual parts and compiling a history on each individual electrode is collected in real time and stored in the master database. The open and high-speed data retrieval system used together with Industrial SQL Server ensures rapid and flexible queries that improve production and decision-making.
I think Industrial SQL has made a huge improvement in the way we do our business and our process. In fact, I believe, it's my opinion, I believe it's shared that it's the single biggest improvement that we've made at this company in its 20-year history.
Wonderware's Industrial SQL has even helped Showa Denko Carbon identify problems that previously went unnoticed. In one case, the addition of a laser micrometer during the finishing stage of the process showed that there was a slight taper to most of the graphite rods. In the previous automation system, the company was only able to check 1 out of every 10 rods produced. Now, with the laser-based system and the Industrial SQL Server Historian, every rod is guaranteed to meet specs, and the company has saved about $30,000 in the first year.
Another feature of Industrial SQL and Active Factory is ability to analyze process data in minutes, whereas before it took hours, sometimes days. This allows us to quickly respond to various problems that may occur before they happen again.
The Industrial SQL Server software is also critical for collecting and maintaining environmental compliance data. The use of graphite powder must be controlled throughout the plant, so Showa Denko Carbon maintains 18 bag houses for filtering and removing the graphite powder from the air. It used to take a minimum of 3 hours a day for staff to climb the baghouse equipment, take filter readings, and then arduously fill out manual reports in the office. It's now completely automated, using the industrial SQL Server Historian.
Before we were getting very minor information. Now at the click of a mouse, we can get all the data we need, predict failures, while staying environmentally compliant.
Scrap has been reduced during production because the industrial SQL Server Historian and Active Factory data trending and reporting software help the staff run the processes more tightly. Real-time and historical data can be analyzed by Active Factory to detect small but costly process issues. By gathering data directly from process instruments, operators can better identify heating and cooling rates for optimal production. They even compared the specific equipment performance records and learned that different furnaces are better suited for certain product mixes. The Factory Suite system offers many other benefits as well. Staff training time has been reduced now that all data flows into one centralized resource that uses only one interface. The distribution of plant floor data is also simplified by using a thin client intranet interface that reduces maintenance and makes it easy to update PC-based workstations. It's especially valuable to access data via the internet when Showa Denko Carbon needs to diagnose unusual production situations. Because all screens and data can easily be viewed live, if there is a production problem to be resolved, plant staff can meet in a conference room, bring up the screens using an LCD projector, allowing the plant personnel to collaborate on the best possible solution in real time. Factory Suite affects bottom line results because plant personnel will know more information sooner. The end result is that Showa Denko Carbon now produces the highest quality graphite electrodes available to industry. So look for a bit of Wonderware in today's manufactured high-quality steel.